Let me be honest with you. If your life feels messy right now, sleep schedule broken, motivation gone, deadlines piling up, confidence low, this video is for you because I've been there. Waking up tired, scrolling instead of studying, feeling behind while everyone else looks on track. And here's the truth most people won't say. You don't need a new life. You need 30 intentional days. In this video, I'll show you how to rebuild your life in 30 days. As a student, with limited time, limited energy, and real pressure. No glow-up fantasy, just practical steps you can start today. Point 1. Day 1 to 3. Reset, don't restart. The biggest mistake students make, they try to change everything at once. New routine, new goals, new personality. That always fails. The first 3 days are not about improvement. They're about stopping the damage. Here's your reset phase. What you do: clean your room and desk. Delete the worst distractions from your phone. Fix your sleep and wake time, even roughly. Science shows your environment shapes behavior more than motivation. Clean space, calmer mind. Quick action, today. Clean one surface, just one. Momentum starts small. Smooth transition. Now that the noise is gone, we build structure. Point 2. Days 4 to 10. Build a simple daily structure. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a repeatable one. Here's the rule. Structure creates energy. Chaos drains it. Your student structure. Morning, 1 to 2 hours. Wake up at the same time. Do your hardest task first. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Your brain has the most willpower in the morning. Use it. Afternoon, 2 to 3 hours. Classes. Light study, review, admin tasks. Evening, 1 hour. Plan tomorrow. Light review, wind down. Quick action. Write tomorrow's plan before sleeping. A written plan beats motivation every time. Transition. Once structure is in place, confidence slowly returns. Point 3. Days 11 to 17. Fix focus and discipline. This is where most students struggle, not because they're lazy, but because they're distracted. Your brain is overstimulated, constant notifications, constant input, so we train focus like a muscle. The focus rule: 60 to 90 minutes deep work, 5 to 10-minute break, phone out of reach. That's it. No fancy apps, no extreme discipline. Neuroscience shows deep work improves confidence because progress becomes visible. Emotional line: you're not broken. Your attention has just been stolen. Quick action: do one phone-free study block today. Just one. Now that focus improves, we rebuild self-respect. Point 4. Days 18 to 24. Rebuild confidence and self-trust. Confidence doesn't come from thinking better. It comes from keeping promises to yourself. Small promises. Examples: study when you said you would go to class, even when tired. Stop quitting early. Each kept promise tells your brain, I can trust myself. That's powerful. Daily confidence habit. Ask every night, what did I do today that I respect? Write one sentence. This rewires your self-image. Quick action. Make one tiny promise for tomorrow and keep it. Finally, we lock everything in. Point 5. Days 25 to 30. Lock the system, not the mood. By now, motivation will still come and go. That's normal. The goal isn't to feel motivated forever. It's to build a system that works without motivation. So you simplify. You keep the wake-up time, the study blocks, the nightly reset, and you drop perfection. Consistency beats intensity every time. You don't need to catch up with life. You just need to stop falling behind yourself. Days 1 to 3. Reset your space and sleep. Days 4 to 10. Build a basic daily structure. Days 11 to 17. Train focus and discipline. Days 18 to 24. Rebuild confidence through action. Days 25 to 30. Lock the system and simplify. That's how lives actually change. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm too far gone, you're not. You're just one decision away from momentum. Start with today, not the whole 30 days, just today. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reset. You're not behind. You're rebuilding.